iPhone 16 Pro Max. Open the screen. It's easy forwards to do it. You don't need any special skill, just to follow the instruction and this video. When you buy the screen, most of the screen is come with the tools, free tools. This is only what you need. If you one-time use, you don't need to have a professional one. Just to use the tools that come with the screen. However, you have to open 2 screws underneath. You have to heat it up. Let's take that one off. Screen, you see, there's no damage on the screen, but if I'm going to turn it on, you got the line there. Unfortunately, it's dropped it badly. This is what's happening. But sometimes if you don't have any line like that one here, is broken underneath there, it's a good idea to check your screen protector, because sometimes the screen protector on it, and you have so many customers coming here and they say, oh, your screen is damaged and it's cost me too much, and we find out it's just the screen protector was damaged. It cost you about £5 or something like that stuff. However, this is the screen is damaged and the bottom there is broken and need to replace bottom bit there. So open 2 screws. I'm going to heat it up with my machine and go from there. Just to pause the video. When it's heat and the screens come off, we go from there. So I'm using the machine screen separator. We used to sell them. I think we have out of stock, but however we get back in, go to www.K1TechCare.com and subscribe them for the news, and as soon as come back in the store you can purchase them. We are using this one mainly. This is as well we are using for like an iPhone SE, a smaller size, but I personally use this one mainly because it heats quick time, and it's easy to use. You got a bigger handle. However, set up the timer for 10 minutes, 90 degrees, set up the heat, just waiting to heat is go up to separate the screen. All right, just pause the video to reach the temperature. Also count on the timer. What I say, I have set up for 10 minutes to nice heat it up to able to separate the screen. Do not forget to take the screws for the screen off underneath, otherwise you are breaking it badly. However, you are waiting now to heat up. Let me put that one down to heat the top screen as well, and we go from there. So it's 4 minutes now. It should be, I've measured the temperature, it's reached to 95 on the top and bottom, and so you got 90 there. However, I'm going to give it a go. So I'm going to turn on the suction and slowly honestly use the alcohol, go around it. It's 99% alcohol, is make it easier to come off. Just make sure the frame is proper hot, and careful you not burn yourself. When you got this one, just slide bit by bit. Leave it a little bit pressure. Don't do it in once. Apply a little bit of alcohol underneath. We're selling the screen separator as well in our online page, www.K1TechCare.com. You can purchase that one as well. Going in between the screen and the frame, it's not fit still. Going a little bit up. There you go. Easy peasy come off. Sometimes it's not that easy, I have to say. Carefully go. Now I'm going with the tools here between the screen and frame. To separate them easily. So let's open it now. Okay. Now I'm taking it off and we are going to other table. All right, just be careful, it's hot, you not burn yourself. So going to continue with the video. So back here, let me zoom in. All right. Okay. Where is it there? Using the tools again. Alright, to separate it, go between the screen and the frame. Careful, it's hot when you got it out of the machine, or you can use the hair dryer if in case you don't have the access to this machine for one-time use. This side where the volume is the flex for your proximity. Front camera, don't pull it too much out, you don't want to damage them. Careful with it, take your time with the patient. So there you go. Now we do this side. Okay. If you're badly stuck, you can use the 99% alcohol, but don't use it too much. There you go. So let me Tony. Oh, let me go turn off that. So I'm going to turn the back off again. Alright, if you can't turn off your phone, turn it off before you separate in the screen. Otherwise, just make sure you're not touching anything else. We don't want to shortcut or damage the backlight. You got the screws, one here holding the plate down and one there. We need to open this one. There are same screws, but I don't recommend it to mix it up. Put in the right order that you can put it back where you got it out. However, they are same size, same length, but again, I don't recommend that. You should mix them up. So let me turn it off. If in case you want to replace it, you're more than welcome to send it to K1TechCare.com. Go and see, not send it to the website, but you can go to our website. You got the mail fix in, and you can send it to us and we can fix it for you. Most of the repair will be done within the day. I'm going to repair on the site as well now. Put the new glue. I'm just waiting till the phone is completely shut down before I'm disconnected. Yeah. Careful when you're separating the screen flex. That is the screen, because we got the original Apple screen. We don't need to transfer the proximity sensor. This is the what when you got the aftermarket screen, you have to remove this one. How you removing it? You heat it up underneath here, not on the top. You heat it with your hair dryer or hair dryer gun. Heat it up. You have to open one of the screws you have here. Then you have to open it to take the plate off. Heat it up that underneath and slowly take it off. Hello, give a second please. Yes, let me test it. So sorry guys, this was customer here. They wanted everything for free of charge. So however, what I was, if you want to take it this one, you got one of the screws, you take it off, you take the plate off, you heat it up underneath, not on the top, underneath, and you slowly remove this one. Let's make it easier to glue it. You need to be really careful. If you look at the top left corner, this here, you have to careful with it, okay? There. You have to careful because it's very fragile and you can't break it and rip off this very easily, okay? You have to careful with it. So let me clean up the around the old glue that I can't put the new glue back in there. The machine as well is easy, make it much easier. You can purchase from K1 Tech Care.com. You can buy from them. We got few of you, plenty of them, and you can get them. So it come full complete. This is a new. This is the old one, but we got the upgrade one, and we come with all adapters and I don't know, loud adapter come with it. Go have a look into it properly. It's useful. So let's start it.